We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Guess what we are making today? The easiest and most delicious fried rice ever. It's so simple. If you just stay with me, you're gonna get everything right. So to prep the rice, I usually boil some hot water and pour this water over the rice and let it sit for a few minutes. Then I wash it till the water runs clear. The next step is the chicken. So pour all the seasoning over the chicken and rub it very well so that it can, be well covered in the marinade. And then I transfer it to the fire. For the start, I let the chicken cook in its own juice, but because the chicken is not very many and there isn't lots of juice, I added a little bit of water to prevent it from burning. Then, at this point you could add onion or whatever you have, but I chose to use fresh rosemary at this time. So that's what you see me adding, and let it cook for a few minutes. The chicken wasn't completely cooked. It was like 50%, 60% cooked. Then I transferred it to the air fryer. And now you can see me adding the juice, the stock from the chicken into the rice. I also added turmeric for the color, and salt, 1 Maggi cube, and the water should be the same level with the rice so that it doesn't get overcooked. And thereafter, cover the pot and let the rice cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. You keep checking to make sure it doesn't burn. Right, at this point the rice is ready, so you set it aside and let it cool down for a few minutes before you start adding it to the vegetables. Moving on to the next step, I started by adding some olive oil to the pan. Once it's hot enough, I started frying the prawns, and then just for a minute, I transferred back to a plate, and then started frying the onions, and then the tougher vegetables such as the carrots and the green beans, because they take longer to cook. I started with those ones, then before adding the other lighter vegetables. let the vegetables fry for about 3 minutes. I like mine really crunchy, but if you don't like it crunchy, maybe your kids they don't like it crunchy, you could fry it for about 5, 7, 8 minutes. But I did mine for 3 minutes anyway. So thereafter, I started adding the green peppers, prawns, and the other ingredients. So the final touch, had added some sesame oil for the flavor because it just takes it to another level. The flavor is special. So it's optional though. If you don't like it, you can skip that part. Now at this stage, the vegetables are ready. So all that is left is to mix the rice and the vegetable together, make sure it's well incorporated. And that's what you see me doing. Once that's done, your rice is ready. You could let it cook for another 3 minutes or up to you. But for me, I just let it cook for about 2 minutes and that's it. Done. Here we go. Fried rice is all ready to taste. Can I show you? It was delicious. Just give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell